Letter K is made in 4 steps. The first step is a standing line. Second step is a curved shape beginning from and ending at this standing line. Third step is a hook-shaped bend coming downwards. And this ending part should not touch this standing line. Fourth step and the final step is headline made on top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. Mistake in this letter is this third step is touching this standing line. The third step should not touch this standing line. Letter K is made in 5 steps. The first step is a small curved shape. Second step, coming downwards, bend it and going up little upwards. Third step is a standing line. Fourth step is a curved shape made at the center point. It should begin and end at this standing line. Fifth step, the final step, Sirorekha made on top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. Common mistakes while writing this letter. In this letter, the second part is not touching the standing line. It should touch this standing line. This part should come and touch this standing line. And in this letter, this fourth step, the curved shape is made very high and here it is made very low. It should be exactly made in the center point. Letter G is made in 3 steps. The first step is a standing line up to the halfway mark and a small circle at the end part. Second step is a standing line. Third step, the final step, headline made on top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. The mistake in this letter is this part is coming up to the bottom. So this should not come up to here. It should be made just below the halfway mark. Letter Gha is made in 4 steps. The first step is a curved shape. Second step is also a curved shape, little longer. First and second steps are like reverse of number 3. Third step is a standing line. Fourth step, the final step, headline made on top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. The mistake in this letter is the curve of the second step is not in line with the curve of the first step. This curve should be in line with the curve of the first step. It should not go to left side or right side. Both this curve should be in line. Letter Ang is made in 5 steps. The first step is a small standing line. Second step is a curved shape. The first 2 steps should be made within the first half of the letter. Third step is a curved shape and the ending part going little upwards. The fourth step is a dot at the center half of the letter. In the fifth step, the final step, is headline made on the top of the letter. For this letter, headline covers the entire part of the letter.